Day 23 of 365 Bible Stories. Jacob and Esau were very different from one another. Esau was a skilled hunter who loved the outdoors, while Jacob stayed close to home, caring for the sheep. Esau was his father Isaac's favorite son, but Jacob was the favorite of his mother, Rebekah. And because Esau was the oldest, he was given special birthrights that Jacob did not have. One evening, Jacob was cooking stew at his camp. Esau returned from the fields, exhausted and starving. As he smelled the rich red stew simmering in the pot, his mouth began to water. "That stew smells wonderful," Esau said. "Please let me have some." Jacob looked up and replied calmly, "I will give you some of my stew, but only if you give me something in return." Esau was growing hungrier by the minute and was willing to agree to anything. "Sell me your birthright," Jacob said. Without stopping to think, Esau reached eagerly for the bowl. "Sure, why not?" he said. "What good is my birthright to me right now?" And with that, Esau gulped down the stew. Jacob watched quietly, a smile forming on his face. He knew he had tricked his brother and claimed the birthright for himself. Join me tomorrow as we continue this journey through the Bible.